This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13 coming at you again with the 8th Nissan Juke first generation headlight retrofit build that I have done. This one uses the Apollo 1.0 Shrouds, a Switchback profile prism halo, Morimoto mini D2S projector assemblies, and all chrome interiors. So that's pretty much the jamsicles. It is what it is. I'll show you them in action right now. These are our halos. Halos are silly bright, as to be expected. Cool, right? They are, like I said, switchback. So that's just like hazard, I guess. You know, whatever. You get the idea. One of them blinks and the other one stays on the constant. Let's see, I'll turn that off now. We can run the actual headlights, which are running the brand new Morimoto Hilux ballasts, 35 watt on a 5500 Kelvin bulb, and I'll show that to you on the wall. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Yep, so they're bright, they're amazing. The back of the housing is sealed up, looks good. I like these housing caps. Turn that off. And it's pretty straightforward. Get the high beam input, your amp ballast connectors, and this is for the switchback halo. That's it, super easy. And I'm done with them. Yeah! All right, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later.